students, how are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start English chapter number 13, The Adventures of Aladdin 1. Have you ever heard about genies? Genies मतलब जिन जो होते हैं, है ना? Generalization of genies in many stories that they become servants to humans who release them from their vessels. They use their great magical power to grant the wishes of whoever they recognize as their master, है ना? जो जीनी होते हैं अलादीन के पास था ना चिराग, वो उसे रब करता था तो उसमें से जिन निकलता था जो उसका सर्वेंट होता था, है ना? और अलादीन उसका मालिक होता था. Once upon a time, a widow had an only son whose name was Aladdin. एक बार की बात एक विधवा थी और उसका एक बेटा था जिसका नाम अलादीन था. They were very poor and lived from hand to mouth. Though Aladdin did what he could to earn some pennies by picking bananas in faraway places. ठीक है, तो वो लोग बहुत गरीब थे, है ना? From hand to mouth. वो बहुत ज्यादा गरीब थे, उनके पास कुछ नहीं था. अलादीन जो है कुछ केला बेच के पैसे कमाता था. One day, as he was looking for wild figs in a grove some way from the town, Aladdin met a mysterious stranger, this smartly dressed, dark-eyed man with a trim black beard and a splendid sapphire in his turban. Asked Aladdin an unusual question. Come here, boy, he ordered. Would you like to earn a silver penny? उसने कहा, बेटा यहाँ आओ, क्या तुम चांदी का सिक्का कमाना चाहते हो? Okay, so a silver penny, exclaimed Aladdin. Sir, I'd do anything for that kind of payment. The stranger then exclaimed, you need to go down a cave. There is something there. You have to get it for me. तुम अंदर गुफा में जाओ, वहाँ पे कुछ है और वो मेरे लिए तुम मुझे वो जो भी है उसको तुम मुझे लाके दे दो. Aladdin agreed and they both went to the cave. Aladdin राजी हो गया और वो दोनों जो है गुफा में चले गए. The cave had a large entrance with stairs leading down to the lower level. Go down the stairs and keep going straight. You will cross a garden. Keep going. Eventually, you will see a lamp. Drink that here, Fuki. नीचे जाना सीढ़ियों से और वहाँ पे जो है लकीर पर वो सीधी जाती हैं. बीच में एक बगीचा होगा जो तुम्हें क्रॉस करना है और इवेंचुअली तुम वहाँ पे एक लैम्प देखोगे और वो लैम्प तुम्हें मेरे लिए लाना है. The stranger helped Aladdin lift the manhole cover to enter the cave. As Aladdin was slim and agile, he went down easily. His feet touched stone and he carefully made his way down some steps and found himself in a large chamber. ठीक है, वो धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ता गया और उसे अंत में क्या दिखा, एक बड़ा सा चैम्बर. It seemed to sparkle thought dimly lit by the flickering light of an old lamp. When Aladdin's eyes became used to the gloom, he saw a wonderful sight, trees dripping with glittering jewels, pots of gold and caskets full of priceless gems. He shouted, Sir, I could see thousands of precious objects lying scattered about. It is a treasure trove. I can't believe my eyes. Aladdin was standing dazed when he heard a shout behind him. The lamp put out the flame and bring me the lamp. Asked Stranger. Aladdin was surprised and suspicious, for why should the stranger out of all such a treasure want only an old lamp? Wondered Aladdin, perhaps he was a wizard. He decided to be on his guard. Picking up the lamp, he retraced his steps up to the entrance. The wizard urged impatiently, give me the lamp, hand it to me. He began to shout, thrusting out his arm to grab it, but Aladdin cautiously drew it back. Let me out first, said Aladdin. Too bad for you, said Wizard by slamming down the manhole cover. He did not notice that. As he did so, a ring slid off his finger. Aladdin was left completely terrified in pitch darkness, wondering what the wizard would do next. Then, with trod on the ring aimlessly, he twisted his finger round and round. Suddenly, the room was flooded with a rosy light, and a great genie with clasped hands appeared on a cloud. तभी वहाँ से क्या हुआ? एक genie निकला, यानी कि जिन. At your command, sir, said the genie. Now, astounded, Aladdin could only stammer, I want to go home. Said Aladdin in a flash. He was back in his own home, though the door was tightly shut. How did you get in? Asked his mother excitedly. Her son told her of his adventures. उसने जो है अपनी माँ को जो भी हुआ एडवेंचर रास्ते मतलब जो उसने किया सब उसके बारे में बताया. Where is the silver coin? His mother asked. Aladdin clapped a hand to his bow. Well, all he had got home was an old oil lamp. Oh mother, I'm so sorry. This is I have got, said Aladdin. Well, let's hope it works. It's so dirty. And the widow began to rub the lamp. तो उसने क्या किया? उसकी माता ने उसको वो लैम्प जो था बहुत ही गंदा था उसको रब किया. Suddenly out shot another genie in a cloud of smoke. है ना? मतलब जो है उसके धुएं से उसमें से एक धुआं निकला और उस धुएं से एक जिन निकला. You have set me free after centuries. I was a prisoner in the lamp, waiting to be freed by someone rubbing it. Now I'm your obedient servant. Tell me your wishes, said the genie. And the genie both respectfully awaited Aladdin's orders. The boy and his mother gaped wordlessly at his incredible apparition. Then the genie said with a hint of impatience in his voice, I'm here at your command. Tell me what you want. And anything you like? Aladdin gulped and said, bring. His mother not having yet begun to cook. The dinner went on to say, a lovely baked meal. Okay. So from that day on, the widow and her son had everything they could wish for: food, clothes, and a fine home. For the genie of the lamp granted them everything they asked him. Okay. तो उन्हें जो है सबसे पहले उन्हें क्या चाहिए था? खाना चाहिए था, क्योंकि उनके घर में खाना नहीं था. तो उसने जो है जिली से सबसे पहले खाने के लिए मांगा. तो उसने खाना उन्हें ला कर दिया और उसके बाद जो है वो जिनी उनके साथ रहने लगा और उनके दिन बदल गए और जिनी से जो वो रिक्वेस्ट करते वो उन्हें दे देते. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you, Apriya.